Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a method that you can use to save your eyes while using your laptops. And now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your laptop or computer device that you have been using. Now click on this option on this left window, click on system side there, click on display. And here you'll see this option of night like night. Now, if you are using your laptops or computer in the night, just simply hit on this option of turn on now. Now once you do it, you'll notice that all the screen will go a yellowish tint effect, so it will block all the blue lights coming from your laptops or desktop, and it will definitely gonna save your light. And you can change the strength from here as well as per your need, or you can just simply schedule it for a specific time period as well, for example sunset to sunrise, or you can set the hours manually as well. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.